NFL Young Ice, YBHGNT, and that's boss. She love my drill, It's your boy NFL Young Ice back with a brand. I say NFL. It's your boy YBHGNT Young Ice back with a brand new video now. I'm gonna show y'all what had just arrived today. The OBD2 part just arrived, man. We fit to put this bad boy on, man. And y'all see my baby right here. Actually need to get them up watch though. But I'm gonna put this part on for y'all live. Nice little live footage. It's actually the first time I'm actually doing this, y'all. So y'all bear with me. Hold on just a second. Hold on, y'all. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you comment below. There you go, y'all, right here. OBD, super tuning. Hold on, it say super OBD2, yeah, tuning chip. And that's how it look. You see there, y'all? That's how it looks. And it actually goes. Hold on, we finna scoot this back a little bit so I get some room. And then, oh, these my new mess, y'all. By the way, ooh, my flow nasty, y'all, man. Y'all excuse me for my flow. I actually ain't been to the car wash because I've been busy, y'all. This goes right here, so we're gonna hook it up. It's gonna light up like that. Y'all see that? Make sure it's focused. So y'all can see it. Y'all see that? We're gonna hold it for 5. Well, actually, take that back. We gotta cut the key ignition in, or let me get my key out. I probably already had the key out. Hold on, y'all. It's the middle key. Yeah, I feel real good today, man. Like I've been waiting on this part for the longest, like forever. And I'm glad I told y'all, man. Y'all thought I was playing, man. I told y'all I'm really fit to mod this car up so fast. It's gonna be a Hellcat Dodge Demon killer. I'm telling y'all, I'm gonna be the only dude in Dallas doing this to my dick, man. I've been doing things dudes don't really do. Like I've been different. But anyway, we're gonna cut this on like this, y'all. Just one turn.
Put 100 bands on Zimmerman.
Oh, we ain't trying to get no copyright. Can't get no copyright. And then we're gonna come over here. We're gonna hold it down for like 5 seconds. We gotta set it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Y'all see that? And then we're gonna wait a minute. We're gonna cut the car on. I just actually got some mats for my car, y'all. I'm just gonna talk to y'all for a little bit. I just actually got some car mats for my car and everything. Cause I needed some, cause the mess they had when I bought the car, they was ugly, they were rough. And I needed some fresh black ones cause my car is black. All in. All inside, I mean. Yeah, man. That's that super OBD2, man. Y'all, that's the only thing I'm gonna let y'all know that I'm doing to my car. Oh yeah, and the coolant intake. Other than that, the other extra stuff I already did before the stuff I'm doing right now, I can't tell y'all what I did and some more other stuff. You know what I'm saying? I don't need everybody to be jacking my horsepower. Like, how do you get that much horsepower in that less of time? I'm gonna show you what to do, man. I'm gonna show you what to do. Okay, it's blinking. Still blinking. We gotta wait for a minute to pass so we can do this. Yeah, we gotta wait for a minute to pass. It should be. Let's see. Should be. Where to cut on? I know a minute passed by now, y'all. And I hope I programmed it right. If not, cause I know it's supposed to be green. Once I cut this car on, the light supposed to be green. If it ain't green, I mean I gotta hold it. See, the last chip I watched it on YouTube, they hold it down for like 5 seconds. It was some type of yellow chip, but my chip is red. You know, I don't know. I'm about to see what's going on. Cut it on now. Let's see what it is. So I actually think you gotta cut it, hold on, for 1 second, because I seen the light go off. So let's do this one more time. Let's cut it off. We're gonna click it over 1 time. And we're gonna do it 1 second. Damn. 1 second. Let's see what this mud does. Okay. It's still doing it. Oh, there you go. I seen some type of green. Let's see. I know this more supposed to be green. I know it's supposed to be green. Okay. You see that green that just popped up? I don't know what that means. It was already good to go or what? So let's see. Try one more time, y'all. Just hold it down a little more longer. Okay. Just say green on that, so I don't know. Hey, y'all, I'm gonna get back with y'all. What's good, YouTube? We back with the video. Right now, I'm letting it sit for a minute. If the chip really working, you know what I'm saying? Cause I think this light supposed to be green. Cause I know it's supposed to be green. Cause everybody in the video, the light turned green. Mine is actually still red under there. You know what I'm saying? It's actually still red. So we finna cut this bad boy on and see what's up. Finna see what's going on. Okay. And then see the light's still red. I know I'm programming it right. It said, let's see what this damn thing say. Pull the card key out from the ignition. Find OBD2 connector and your card and plug it into Super OBD2. Insert the key into the key ignition and switch the key to the first state. Please wait for a while, about 5 seconds. Super OBD2 will communicate and establish connection with ECU when they didn't put the C right here. When the connection is successful, OBD lights flashing rapidly. Start up the engine. I just started up. So guys, I think this actually it, y'all. I don't know. I think it's supposed to look red. Comment below what y'all think, man. Say Super OBD2. Hold on. Comment below, man. Let me know what you think. This thing supposed to be green. And I'm doing a part 2 of this video tomorrow. I'm actually gonna hit this gas on it. I'm really gonna hit the highway on it. I'm really gonna push it for you guys so y'all can see how good it accelerates. Yeah, that's that boy. That's that monster. But for some reason, I feel like, okay. Let me get back with y'all on game. Y'all see it? Lions on my feet. Lions on. We got them zooms on. You zoom. You see them? Them orange babies. Orange bad boy. What's good, YouTube? Back with a brand new video, man. I told y'all yesterday we had installed the computer chip. It's OBD2. tuning chip I had installed yesterday. And I couldn't finish the video, but today I'm gonna finish the video because I'm gonna show y'all how fast it goes and how it accelerates better. And it's supposed to let me say gas mileage too, so I don't know. But anyway, yeah, like I said, man, we back with a brand new video, man. You know what I'm saying? Your boy looking fly today. Orange Puma shirt on. You know what I'm saying? Got that. My new piece, you know, it just came in. Customized, you know, music letters. That new piece came in, man. No cap. But yeah, chip still under there. Chip is ready. Let me focus this better so y'all can see. Yeah, chip ready to go. It might be a little. It's kind of dark under there, y'all. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Let me step out right quick so y'all can actually see this drip, man. And let y'all see that drip, man. You know what I'm saying? Hold on. Make sure I focus right. Make sure I'm focused right, y'all. Let me look at this mirror. Gotta make sure I focus real good for y'all right quick. Okay, we focus real good. We in motion, we in motion. But yeah, man, y'all see how I'm rocking, man. Y'all see that. Y'all see that. You feel me? But man, we finna go ahead and get the video started, man. I'm finna go ahead and hit this highway over there. And then I'm finna get back with y'all on game. Okay, y'all, we back. Put the bad boy in reverse. I'm trying to drive at the same time, and at the same time I'm trying to watch out for laws, and at the same time I'm trying to do it. Hold on, let me put the seatbelt on. Safety first, man. We gotta have your seatbelt, man. That's the first thing. Oh yeah, last video I didn't have all this trimmed down, you know what I'm saying? I was getting a little rough on my other part. Now my mustache started growing. I don't like when my mustache started growing because it itch and everything. I gotta keep my face smooth and stuff, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, I'm looking good today. I ain't even got the Versace in my eyes today. You know, I ain't put my shades on. But yeah, man, speaking of today, man, I'm blessed to wake up this morning. Let me start by saying that. However, all my new subscribers, I appreciate y'all. Welcome to the channel. Subscribe, like, hit every comment. Hit every like button, comment on every video. Take time out, watch every video. You know what I'm saying? We're going up all 2020. Like I said, I want to just do a thank you for all my new subscribers out here. They've been just subscribed to the channel if you just new to the channel. And then my old subscribers, my day ones, they've been holding me down. I appreciate y'all from the bottom of my heart. I love y'all to the fullest. Keep the positive vibe, keep the positive energy. Don't let nobody destroy who you are, who you believe in. Don't let nobody stop your dream. You can be anything you want to be in life, long as you put your mind to and keep on stepping and keep on constantly progressing. You know, give them that aggressive attitude, man. Step on their neck. You know what I mean? But now, we're gonna test this out right here, y'all. Traffic. We got traffic. Y'all see the lake. Y'all see the lake. Yeah, y'all see the lake. Beautiful water, man. Why stay? It's beautiful, man. I'm finna hit another loop around, y'all. I'm finna exit Dow Rock. If y'all can see that, I'm finna exit Dow Rock right quick. And then I'm punch it again. I couldn't really punch it like I wanted to, but too many cars over here. I hate when traffic be driving so damn slow, like there ain't no traffic. Y'all be driving so damn slow. Excuse me for my language, y'all, but people driving so slow when it's like, say 65 or 70, why y'all going about 50? Y'all, shit, y'all need to be driving. Yeah. Come on, Honda. Come on, Honda. Come on, Honda. Come on, Honda. I gotta get on. I'm on a mission right now. I'm on a mission. I gotta get this. This video popping up. Come on. My fans ready to see some exciting stuff, man. I told y'all I got y'all, man. Y'all in my life every day. My life is y'all life. We family. My fans family. Matter of fact, I don't call my fans or subscribers. Nah, y'all my family, man. Y'all my family, real talk. Yeah, they look pretty over there, y'all. Y'all see that? Y'all might can't see it real good because I ain't trying to mess with my zoom and focus. Because I don't want to, I got the camera just right on me right now. Yeah, if we hit this turn, All right, let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it, Ice. You ready? There you go, Ice. Get it, boy. Get it, boy. Get it, boy. Get it, boy. Ooh, oh, that mother accelerated way better, man. I'm telling y'all. Boy, that went on my booty hole. Yeah. Hey, man, I love this car down, bro. Hey, this chip made a way big difference. I said a big difference. My bad, y'all. This chip made a way big difference, man, in my car. Like the performance, everything, y'all. Like for real, this mud is like, it's crazy, man. For the exit this Bass Pro right quick. The Bass Pro right there. Bass Pro. This exit Bass Pro. We in Garland right now. Yeah, I'm a professional. I'm up here driving fast with the camera in my hand, boy. Where they do that at? Where they do that at? Do I got an extra stop to do? You know, I love y'all. I'm gonna give y'all one more little peek, man. I'm gonna let y'all do see it one more time. This time we're gonna merge on the highway. I'm gonna see how quick this mother merge on the highway. We finna see though. We finna see. You know what I'm saying? Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, make sure you comment below. Here we go, y'all. Here we go. I knew this truck was gonna get in front of me. Look at that. I hate when they do that. Every time I'm gonna do something, they wanna they wanna mess up the whole moment, man. Like I always do that. But yeah, y'all. You know what I'm saying? We up in this bit. We up in this bit now. I tell them we up in this bit. We live, man. We live all day. Watch this. I love. We up in this thing. We up in this thing. Get it, Ice. Get it, Ice. Cut through him. Step on it. Get it, Ice. Get it, Ice. Get it, Ice. Whoa, cut him. Cut him. Cut him. Pass him up. I gotta go slow down. I see the law. I see the laws. I had to slow down. I had to slow down on that one. I seen the law like, oh no, sir. No traffic ticket for me today. I'm good though, I ain't gonna do no more, y'all. I'm finna exit right quick. Got the exits. But anyway, man, that's all I want to do for y'all today, man. Finish this video. Do my arm again until I hold this camera. I'm actually finna invest in another camera that kinda got like flip screen so I can actually see myself as I'm recording with y'all, man. Cause I'm finna get the new camera probably next week. But I appreciate y'all watching this video, man. I appreciate y'all, the new subscribers, subscribe to the channel. 2020, like I said, we're going over videos every week. We're going up all year, no cap. Look out for my coolant intake. I'm gonna put that on this car. That'll be another video. I got another channel video coming soon. I got another prank video coming soon. Music video. This month I'll be shooting She Love My Drip. If you ain't heard my new single, go on my channel right now and check that out. The call She Love My Drip. So we shooting that video and we shooting Ride or Die. Yeah, I got a lot of stuff doing this June, man. It's gonna be a crazy month. But hey, I gotta keep on staying at it, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man. Let's go.
Yeah.
YBHGNT, and that's your boy Hustle.
She love my drip, yeah.